guys, shalom, shalom, welcome to this amazing and wonderful city. Merry Christmas everyone, Merry Christmas from here, the old city of Joppa. Wow, amazing place guys. This is really incredibly beautiful, unbelievable. Enjoy the beauty here in the Holy Land guys. Enjoy that here in the old city of Joppa, Tel Aviv. Wonderful guys, wonderful place. This is a lovely place. It's an amazing place guys. It's an amazing place. Merry Christmas everyone, Merry Christmas, and God bless you all. So this amazing beauty. Look at the beauty of this lovely city, the city of